Let us solve the second version of reverse string problem. Here, instead of reversing the complete string, which was in the first version, here we have to reverse in steps of size k. So you are given a string and you are also given a size k. So you have to take the first k characters and reverse them, then skip k characters. So first k you reversed, next k you left them as it is, and next k again you reverse, and next k you will leave, and in the end, if let's say there are less than k characters remaining, then you will reverse all of them. Let's say you left k and there are k is 5 and there are only 3 characters remaining, so reverse all of them. So let's see one example here. So this is the string and here k is 2. So what will be the output? Take the first k, first 2, reverse them, so AB becomes BA, A goes here, B comes here, CD remains as it is, it's copied. Then EF, again take the 2 characters and reverse them, FE, then again leave k characters, here only 1 is there, so you leave it. Let's say we had GH and I. So what would have been done here? GH would have been copied as it is, then we would have reversed 2 characters here, but 1 is left here, so reversing it does not mean anything. So it will be this. But if k is some more number, let's say 5 and or let's take 3 and we have IJ, but k is not there, so we would have reversed only 2. So this is the question. How we will do it? We will take 2 pointers. One will be start, which we will start from 0, and next will be the kth character. So in this case second. So this will be the beginning and this is the end. So reverse everything between that. Then advance this start by 2k units. So instead of, if we add k, it will come here. If we add k again, it will come here. So start will come again here in this yellow character, which needs to be reversed, and k again will be, so start is 0, end is min of the string length, because this is a possibility, and s plus k. So take something like this and reverse everything between start and end. Then s becomes s plus 2k and end becomes again min of s dot length and s plus k. So end is always k characters ahead of s, and we are reversing always between s and e. So if this s plus k overshoots, then it will be assigned the last character and we will reverse that part only. So let's write the code for this. So this is the same problem being explained and the same example. So left is 0, right is min of k and s dot length, and while L is less than s dot length, so starting should be less than length. We don't worry about ending since we have already taken care of that. And while this is the case, what we need to do, reverse s dot begin plus L to s dot begin plus R. So reverse everything between these two iterators. Then L plus k equal to 2 times k and R equal to again min of L plus k and int s dot length. And here I am typecasting to int since these types will mismatch. K is int and s dot length is unsigned long, so it can be a mismatch here. And then finally we need to return a string. So here, what is the time complexity? We are just iterating through this string, and reversing is linear. So we are reversing k characters, then skipping k characters, again reversing k characters. So overall it will be linear time complexity. And space, here we are not using any extra string. You can create a separate copy of this string and return as well. Here we are using this itself. So I would say space complexity is O of 1 and time complexity is O of n.